Imagine this, you complete export import course and get your first job as a export import executive and feel excited about starting your career. But within just 1 or 2 years, many professionals start searching for another job. Some are frustrated, some are stressed, and some even leave the export import industry completely. The question is, why do export executives quit their job so quickly? Today, I will reveal the top reasons behind this problem and, most importantly, how you can avoid these career traps and build a successful exim career. Reason 1, reality versus expectations. The first reason is the mismatch between expectations and reality. Many freshers believe that export import means international travel, foreign client meeting, and exciting global business opportunities. But when they join a company, they spend most of their time on documentation, shipment coordinations, follow custom compliance, and freight communications. As a result, they become disappointed because the job is very different from what they imagined. Remember, every successful exim professionals start from operations and documentations before moving into higher level roles. Reason 2, low salary growth. The second major reason is slow salary growth. Many export executives start with modest salaries after working for 1 or 2 years. They compare themselves with friends working in IT, finance, or other industries. They start thinking, I'm working so hard, but my salary is not growing fast enough. The real issue is not industry, the issue is skills stagnation. Professionals who learn Incoterms, customs regulations, DG cargo, international logistics, supply chain, and trade compliance usually achieve much faster career growth than those who only perform routine documentation work. Reason 3, high pressure environment. Third reason, high pressure work culture. In export import, one small mistake can lead to customs delay, customer complaints, additional cost, and customs penalties. Export executives constantly handle urgent situations like freight cancellations, container rollover, documentation errors, and customs issue. Many professionals struggles to manage the pressure, especially during the initial years of their careers. Without proper guidance and process knowledge, stress levels increase significantly. Reason for lack of career direction. The fourth reason is lack of career planning. Many professionals work for years without knowing where their career is heading. Ask export executives, where do you want to be after 5 years? Many cannot answer these questions. A successful exim career requires a roadmap. For example, export executives, senior executives, assistant manager, manager, global trade specialist, supply chain leader. Without a clear roadmap, people feel stuck and start looking for opportunities elsewhere. Reason 5, no mentor or career guidance. The fifth and most important reason is lack of mentorship. Most export executives learn through trial and errors. Unfortunately, many companies focus only on daily work and not on employee development. As a result, professionals repeat mistakes, lose confidence, and then miss promotion opportunities. Feel trapped in their current roles. A mentor can help identify skills gap, create a career roadmap, and accelerate professional growth. What is the solution? If you are currently working in export import and feeling stuck, don't quit because of temporary challenges. Instead of upgrade your skills, understand the complete supply chain, learn international trade regulations, build industry connections, and seek proper career guidance. The exim industry offers tremendous growth opportunities for professionals who continuously learn and adapt. Tell me in the comment, what is the biggest challenge you are facing in your exim career, and if you need personalized guidance for your career growth, feel free to connect with me. And the most important, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical export import career insights. I am Sachin Kratmal, and I'll see you in the next video.